Morning, guys. It's just after 18th of December, getting ready for the old Christmas period. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of take you through my routine, what I do in the morning. First thing I do is I check to see if there's any times I need to be aware of and stay away from, and it helps me pick the product that I'm going to choose today. So, what we can see this morning, nothing really to sing home about, so I am fully technical up to midday. Now, from midday, the pound has the Bank of England. Are they going to do anything today just before Christmas, certainly with cost of living and everything? I don't know. Gut feeling, probably just stay the same. But we never know till the announcement comes. Might be... Anyway, we just don't know. And I don't like speculating on things because I wasn't in the room, so I don't know what the decisions are. Now, 1:30, we do have a CPI event coupled with high impact news. So around 1:30, I need to be away from the US markets. And that runs right through the afternoon. So if I was going to be looking at pound USD, this afternoon it's pretty much written off. So I wouldn't look at that at all. So I automatically discount that. Euro news, I've got Euro news coming in at around 1:15. Again, it's not overly exciting, but from 1 o'clock through to around 3, it kind of writes off euro dollar as well because I've got high impact there. So I've already worked out that I'm going to be missing a couple of products off this afternoon. This morning I could look at them, but this afternoon I definitely can't. So what does that mean? Well, if I look at the strengths of the market, what we'll see, if I start working down my little list here, euro dollar, well, that'll be fine at the moment because it's in the top section, it's in the top 3, and the US is in the bottom 3. So that is a contender this morning. So maybe let's do a quick trade on that before 12 o'clock. Pound US, well, they're too close together, so I wouldn't look at that anyway. And then it's wrote off this afternoon, and with the pound US having heavy news from 12 o'clock onwards, bit of a no-go. So what I'm left with here, as I go down the list, is pound JPY is a good contender, and just be a little bit careful in and around midday when the news announcement comes in. So that's the way I would work that. And then US JPY, both very weak. I am narrowed down into pound JPY as product of choice. Now, from an indices point of view, the DAX, it doesn't matter. I'll trade it every day, any day. But I need to be aware that the news is terrible on it. So the DAX then becomes a market of choice for this morning. And these, well, I don't really look at them too much. So that's the way I will do it. So this morning, I'll be looking at the DAX and Euro USD. I'll see which one is the best contender, and then I'll just trade from there onward. Okay, but that's my routine. That's how I do it. I just go through it day in, day out, just work out the times, eliminate products that I don't want to trade, and then whatever I'm left with, however improbable, be correct. Okay, catch you soon.